In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best Padel rackets on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best Padel rackets on Amazon. Number 1 BULLPADEL Hack 04 Hybrid 2025 Miami Paquito Navarro Padel Racket, Limited Edition Diamond Shape, Tricarbon 3D Face, Multi-EVA Core, Channel Technology and Triple Bridge, High Power and Precision Control, Limited Edition Miami Style, Unique, Vibrant Design inspired by Miami, delivering standout aesthetics with professional appeal. Hybrid diamond shape combines explosive power with enhanced control, ideal for aggressive yet precise gameplay. Tricarbon 3D Surface Advanced Carbon Fiber Face increases durability, spin potential, and shot responsiveness. Multi-EVA Core Technology Dual Density EVA Foam ensures excellent ball output, comfort, and consistent performance. Channel Technology and Triple Bridge improves structural stability, reduces vibration, and enhances control during intense rallies. Pro-level performance developed with Paquito Navarro for advanced and professional players seeking elite results. Take your game to the next level with the BULLPADEL Hack 04 Hybrid 2025 Miami Paquito Navarro Limited Edition Padel Racket, designed for players who demand both power and precision. This premium racket features a hybrid diamond shape that delivers explosive attacking shots while maintaining excellent control in defensive situations. The Tricarbon 3D Face provides superior durability and enhanced spin. Number 2 LAPAT Padel Racket with cover bag, carbon fiber surface and EVA memory foam core, lightweight paddle tennis racket for pop tennis, comfortable grip, durable and high control, premium carbon fiber face. Strong and durable surface enhances shot power, precision, and long-term performance. EVA memory foam core delivers excellent shock absorption and consistent ball response for improved control. Lightweight performance design, easy to swing and maneuver, reducing arm fatigue during extended play. Ergonomic comfort grip non-slip handle provides a secure hold and better accuracy on every shot. Protective cover bag included convenient storage and portability to keep your racket safe on the go. Versatile for pop and paddle tennis, great for beginners and intermediate players seeking balanced power and control. The Number 3 Headspeed Padel Racket Series Pro, Pro X, Motion, Elite, 1, 1X, Team Power and Control Paddle Tennis Rackets, LUXX Technology, Graphene Construction, Lightweight and Pro-Level Performance, multiple models for every player. Choose from Pro, Pro X, Motion, Elite, 1, 1X, and Team to match your skill level and play style. LUXX Technology Advanced Construction adapts on impact, Number 4 Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, Carbon Fiber Face with Polypropylene X7 Core, Infinigrid Surface Technology for maximum spin, lightweight high control performance paddle, ultimate control paddle designed for precision players who prioritize accuracy, touch, and consistent shot placement. Carbon Fiber Face premium surface enhances durability while delivering crisp feel and improved responsiveness. X7 Polypropylene Core Advanced Honeycomb Core provides excellent vibration dampening and a larger sweet spot. Infinigrid Surface Technology long-lasting textured surface maximizes spin potential and shot control. Lightweight and balanced design offers quick hand speed, easy maneuverability, and reduced fatigue. At comfort grip handle ergonomic, cushioned grip ensures secure handling and all-day playing comfort. Take control of every rally with the Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, engineered for players who. Number 5 JOOLA Pickleball Paddles Set of 2, Fiberglass Surface Lightweight Rackets, Beginner-Friendly Design, includes 2 balls and carry bag, durable and USAP-approved pickleball set, complete set of 2 paddles. Perfect starter kit includes 2 paddles, balls, and a convenient carry bag for easy transport. Reinforced fiberglass surface provides excellent durability with a responsive feel for better shot control. Lightweight and beginner-friendly easy-to-handle design helps new players improve accuracy and consistency. Durable polymer core offers solid balance, reduced vibration, and a reliable sweet spot. Comfort grip handle cushioned, non-slip grip ensures control and comfort during extended play. USAP approved, meets official USA Pickleball standards for recreational and competitive play. Get started on the court with the JOOLA Pickleball Paddles Set of 2, a complete and beginner-friendly kit designed for fun, performance, and convenience. Whether you're new to pickleball or playing casually with friends, this set has everything you need to jump right in. Each paddle features a reinforced fiberglass surface, delivering a great balance of durability and responsiveness for improved shot control. The lightweight design makes it easy to swing, helping beginners develop better technique while reducing fatigue. Built with a durable polymer core, these paddles offer consistent performance